What's up, guys? Welcome back to another review on the channel. And today we're going to be talking about this product right here. This is the Luckily Joan 7-piece car cleaning kit. It's like a tool kit, I guess you could call it. It's got a tire brush, some detailing brushes, and stuff like that in it. So we're going to open this bad boy up. I have a knife like normal. We get a knife. As you can see, it's a super nice day out, so I decided to have the garage door open. So if there is a little bit of noise, sorry about that. So we're gonna open this bad boy up. Oops, right from the face. Alright, so the box is pretty sturdy. First thing we're gonna pull out is, look at that. Very nice little wheel cleaning brush. You just stick in between the spokes and whatnot. So it seems like it'll probably work pretty good. And you can get all the way back there to the, whatchamacallit, all the way back there to the other side of the wheel. This is a 9.5-inch stock wheel, so I think that'll work pretty good. Oops, sorry about that light, man. Damn. So, we got this. Seems like it's pretty good quality. I mean, it's a little bit bendy, but it does have a little disc back here that's attached to kind of keep the handle from hitting stuff, and it does have plastic over the metal. So, pretty good. I like it. It's there to protect the wheel. All the metal's covered in some sort of rubber or plastic. Handle's pretty decent, and the bristles seem like they're gonna last okay. Now, next we have, we'll do those later. Then it comes with like a little special thank you from all of us. If you have any questions, kindly contact us. Asking you to review the products. So, okay, so this I don't really like because it was sitting on the handle of this, I guess, like that. So it made a nice little indent. But I think with some use, I think that'll go away. This nice soft bristles for wheels. Pretty basic little wheel brush. The ends are nice and soft. Seems like it'll work pretty good. It is a little bit scratchy on your skin, so I mean, but then again, you're scrubbing your wheel on the inside with this thing. So, seems pretty good quality. Let's see, the bristles are not coming out or anything like that. And moving on to the little Ziploc bag right here. Well, let's take them all out at once. Oh man, and they're all wrapped up in plastic. So we've been trying to, yeah, I'll talk about that in a minute. I just want to open one of these, man. Ooh. Okay, so these are pretty basic detailing brushes. They're super soft. I mean, you can use these mostly for interior stuff, maybe. I'll probably use the big one for the exterior and all the other ones for interior. But I mean, you can always just wash them out and use them for, whatever. Yeah, these seem like they're pretty okay quality. Good. They're not gonna snap in half. There's numbers on them. Okay. But they seem like they're pretty good construction. Nothing's just pulling out. Super soft. Inside, outside. We are gonna be getting something with a little bit more of a stronger bristle on it as well. Just for the exterior stuff on the cars. By no means am I a professional detailer. But all these for an everyday person or a professional, I mean, they're so cheap. I mean, you guys can go check out the link in the description. I think this set was it's $20 for this brush, these, and this. So I think it's a pretty decent price for what it is. Luckily Joan, yeah, it's all it's all stuff from China, which kind of sucks, but I'd rather buy some American stuff, but for the price you're spending on these, you're getting a decent quality. And again, packaging was good, except for that part. I don't really like the fact that it was sitting right on top of something. So it has like that little gap right here. That's the only part that I have to really complain about. So I really have no bad things to say about them. So once we get going on this review channel a little bit, a few videos down the road, I'm probably gonna gather all my thoughts up together with all these products that I've been using, and I'm gonna give you guys some updates on those as well. So if you guys do follow the channel, then all the stuff that you're seeing now, once I get like 5 or 6 products reviewed, then we're gonna just say, okay, well, I've been using it for 3-4 weeks, a month, and it still works great, nothing broke, or hey, don't use it, don't buy it. One of those kind of deals. But if you're looking for a budget-friendly, basic detailing brush kit, this is probably one of your better bets. There's a ton of them out there. Again, I'm gonna link the product below. And next video, I think we're gonna be having some Chemical Guys stuff. Not sponsored, just some stuff that I picked up. It's gonna be a couple of their air fresheners, interior cleaner, and some car shampoo, and a quick detailer, I think. So look forward to that. And then we're also going to be talking about these little hydro flasks that I have so nicely customized with my other YouTube channel's logo. Shameless plug, I know. Perfectly okay to plug your own shit. But we're going to be talking about these bottles as well in the next couple of videos, just because it's a pretty budget-friendly option as well, if you want something nice. So, hope you guys enjoyed, and we'll see you guys later.